In a big blue ocean, there lived a friendly whale named Whiplash. Whiplash was not like the other whales. He had a unique pattern on his tail, a series of wavy lines that made him stand out. One day, Whiplash felt different. He noticed that his wavy lines were fading. He was worried. What if he lost his special pattern and became just like the other whales? Whiplash swam to his best friend, Bubbles the dolphin, to share his worries. Bubbles listened carefully and suggested they ask the wise old Seer Fish for help. With Bubbles by his side, Whiplash swam to find the Seer Fish. They found him resting under a coral reef. Whiplash explained his problem, and the Seer Fish thought for a while. The Seer Fish smiled and said, "Whiplash, your wavy lines are not just a pattern, they are your unique signature. They are a reminder of who you are and where you come from." Whiplash felt relieved. He realized that his wavy lines were not a problem, but a treasure. He thanked the Seer Fish and swam back to his home, proud to be Whiplash the whale with the wavy tail. From that day on, Whiplash was happier than ever. He embraced his uniqueness and taught other whales the importance of being just as they are. And every time he swam, his wavy lines shimmered in the sunlight, reminding him and everyone around that being unique is special. As the sun set, Whiplash sang a song under the water. "I am Whiplash, the whale with the wavy tail, shining bright in my own way, telling the world my tale." And with that, he dove deeper into the ocean, leaving behind a trail of sparkling wavy lines, a testament to his uniqueness.